know that some of you are worried about what you are going to do when you're underway. I mean, we have 75 miles to go today. That is a long trip. Whenever we first started out, I felt like I had to have everything done, everything perfect before we left the dock. But as I go along, that's just not the case anymore. So I cooked my breakfast earlier this morning, and I'm getting ready to heat Sam's breakfast now. Before I do that, I'm going to put the dishes away. All right, put those dishes away and show you what I'm making Sam for his breakfast. For Sam's breakfast, I am gonna grab one of these. Now, I don't know if you do this or not, but I put the instructions in the freezer. I throw away the extra packaging because it's not good to have a lot of cardboard on the boat. It attracts bugs. So I just keep cut out the instructions on how to make this, so you know, I don't have to do it every time. I'll just tell him, you know, your breakfast is there and the instructions are right next to it. He really likes these croissant sausage, egg, and cheese, and it's quick, easy in the microwave. We just left the dock recently. Our batteries are all charged up, so I don't need to turn the generator on to make this. Now, your boat might be different, so check with whoever the electronics or the electrician expert is on your boat and see if you need to run the generator before you use the microwave. So the first step, you know, remove it from the package and wrap it up in a paper towel. I put it on a plate and then put the, you know, top of the paper towel like that. The croissant is upside down. And you see it's flopping open. Well, on your trip, this is a must-have item, a microwave topper so your food doesn't splatter everywhere. I guess that's a good thing to have at home too. But anyway, I put that right under there. We're gonna go for 30% power for 90 seconds. Alright. It's good to find things like this that either you like or your partner likes, your spouse or whoever you're traveling with, because it is so easy to do, and in a couple of minutes he's gonna have breakfast ready here. So it's something we can do quickly, underway, and it's a you know, keeps him full, and it's a satisfying breakfast for him. When you're at the store, look in the frozen food section to see if there's something there that you like could make a quick breakfast. That 90-second defrost time is done because, you know, I took them right from the freezer here. So I'm gonna flip that over, keeping it wrapped up in the paper towel, put the plastic back on, and now I'm gonna do full power, 50 seconds, just like the instructions from the freezer say. I'm gonna put those down there, back in there with the rest of the croissants. Any of you do that? Weird things like that? Put your instructions in the freezer so anybody can grab it and follow the instructions and make their own breakfast. The timer has gone off. Now it says to let it wait in there for about a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. Take it out, because you know it's still doing its magic under the paper towel, I guess. I don't know. Now to unwrap the masterpiece. And voila, a breakfast sandwich right there, ready for the captain. Now Jimmy Dean is not paying me to tell you this and show you this and make you hungry for a croissant breakfast sandwich, I'm just trying to tell you an easy way that you can make breakfast quick underway.
Tastes good. Breakfast on the bridge on a beautiful morning.